In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fully automated data entry form in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file. Before the form feature will work properly, you need to make sure your data is organized the right way. The most important part here is preparing your table correctly. Make sure your column headers are placed in the first row. These headers will become the field names inside the form, so it's a good idea to keep them clear and descriptive. Once your headers are ready, the next step is to convert your data range into an official Excel table. To do that, select your data and press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. A pop-up window will appear, and here you need to confirm that your table has headers. Make sure that option is checked, then click OK. Turning your range into a table is important because Excel's built-in form tool works best with structured table data and makes it easier to add new entries consistently. Now let's add the form button so you can access the data entry window quickly. Go to the quick access toolbar in the top left area of Excel and click its drop-down button. From there, choose More Commands. This opens a settings window. At the top, find the drop-down for available commands and change it to commands not in the ribbon. Then scroll through the list until you find form. Select it, click add, and then click OK. After that, the form button will appear near your quick access toolbar, making it easy to use whenever you need it. With everything set up, you're ready to use the form. Click anywhere inside your table first. This tells Excel which table you want the form to connect to. Then click the form button you just added. A data entry window will open, showing fields that match the headers in your table. Simply fill in each field with the appropriate information. When you're done entering the details, click New to add the record. Excel will automatically place that entry into the next available row in your table. That means you can continue entering records one after another without manually scrolling, copying formulas, or worrying about placing data in the wrong row. This is a simple but very effective way to speed up data entry and keep your spreadsheet neat and structured. And that's it. You now know how to create a fully automated data entry form in Excel.